So here now, we out in the bush. We just set up camp there. Look how immaculate this camp looking. We here with Bush Monster there. Yep, he's just the two of us in this piece of forest here. We gonna see what we can find, just a little walk in the night, set up camp, chill, cook something, and relax yourself. We bored at home, we don't know what to do, so we pick up ourselves and we find ourselves in the bush here. Ed?
Yeah.
So yeah, we bringing all here for the trip. Let me see what we find. We couldn't remember, and we wasn't really sure what was the name of this nut, this fruit exactly, but we believe it's in the genus Lecidus or Lecidus, somewhat so it pronounced. And that's the same family, paradise nut and Brazil nut, and I believe the cannonball tree in. But animals love to feed on these seeds. Well, the seeds inside. Look at this phenomenon, right? See this. Okay, for those who don't know, this here is a typical sign that a tree fall. You know, the roots was on the ground over there, and it fall. You know, so most of the roots stand up. But what missing?
Stand up and point away and show we what going on.
Right. So this area is supposed to be here, right? That's the remaining roots. But the weird thing is, the tree fall. No tree, but the tree standing up. And so, this is some of the strange things you see in the bush sometimes. And it's amazing. So, like, the tree fall and then go back up, stand back up or something. So, yeah. This kind of thing. So, this is how it's supposed to be, you know. The root was once on the ground, it create a little puddle, the top root busts out and it lie down. What was that, boy? You see? The tree lying down on the ground. It's not standing back up. Okay, some rain is falling, but look how much of these spit bugs. Look, one in there. Look at it, creating that spitty stuff. Have so much in there. Look at this beautiful moth. Look at how that looks there. Splendid. Look, a wanderer, a Brazilian wanderer right there. And I think that's its babies in the corner there. Normally it holds the babies and underneath its body. But not sure. Check out this tree. Look at this junker tree. The thing have no hollow and no center. It just hollowed out. And once it on thuriums. Is it? Heartless tree. Going inside this whole tree. Oh. Whole tree. Just hollowed out. Eh? Look at that. Magnificent, eh? Big ghost wander in the corner there. We are out here 2 hours, no, an hour now. Yeah, just walking through the random bush. When I tell you it's bush, no trail or nothing. Just walking through to see what we see. Just a lot of insects, arachnids, spiders and things, and some fruits. Yep. See how quiet it is. Ugh. Sometimes you're walking for hours and you see nothing. How the bush just be. When we see something, we see it. I smell a goatee. Yeah, he's strong. Yeah, goatees have a strong smell. He must be in there. But he's smelling strong. Yeah, if all you didn't know, goatees, each wildlife have a different smell. Sometimes it'll be strong, sometimes it doesn't be. It doesn't mean that the animal is right there. It sometimes means that they must be just drop a load or something. Look how strange these root structures is. Like I'm standing up, right? My foot. And all these roots just... Now, what they are doing is, it's dry season, so water level will be here, right? And so the roots, it will be real marshy and thing here. So you have a full up with leaves, water, mix up and thing. So these roots come up to get the oxygen on the surface. Because on the forest floor, they're not doing it. But here, like all here will be marshy. And you can see like that root over there, the root here, the root here. All of them come for the oxygen. Yeah, I didn't know plants do that until I read about it. Yeah, going straight up, so. Bearded mannequin. Okay. You think we're coming out on some kind of trailer or some kind of road day? Oh Lord, have mercy. A road. A good road.
Highway to hell.
Oh yeah. Just see this harvestman that corner across there eating a blackhead. Like he full. Yeah. This thing was eating that. A blackhead snake, garden snake. I know how it died. I don't know if that must have eaten him. Well, kill him. But interesting. So we arrived back at camp there. We started our fire so we could eat a little something before we go to bed. Walking about, found no big form of wildlife. A lot of insects and mushrooms and stuff. Yeah, we go and cook up something there. Just need to eat a little something. So we have some chicken here. We're gonna barbecue it. We have the sauce. We have a grill, makeshift grill. It has worked good. Don't underestimate this grill, eh? It has worked good. And we have the coals. Let's see to start cooking. Grilling nice. Nearly plain above us. I not playing above the fires there, but grilling, barbecuing, roasting and things nice. Look at it, true grilled chicken. We still have more there to put on the fire, but look, half done already. Nice grilled, saucy, juicy, tender chicken. So, is the final set here. I'm gonna lock off this. Right, I'm going steaming barbecue chicken. We got let me tell you, right? It was in seasoning, some barbecue sauce, and when we roasting it, we cover it in some honey. Right, we put some honey all in there, and then we cover it with the barbecue sauce and roast it. Honey had it, honey had the fire burning, but it roasts good. Hold on, looking real barbecue roast a bit. Get a little extra toasty, but yeah, tasting immaculate. Bun it. Don't burn yourself. But yeah, we go and eat this, and then call it a night. Yeah. Yeah, after we eat with chicken and thing, we right already fire chilling. And as all you know, as the wildlife master. And this is Bush Monster. And until next time, blessings and bless out.